Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.6, Problem 8. This is Section 3.6, Problem 8. It says write the number as a decimal, and we have 3/8. So with any of these, if you do have a calculator, just enter the numerator first, then the denominator. For this one, it would be 3 divided by 8 equals, and the calculator will immediately give you the result. If you don't have a calculator, what you do is set up a division problem. The numerator of the fraction, or top, will go under the division symbol, and the denominator, or bottom of the division, will go in front. So you have to divide 8 into 3. Well, 8 won't fit into 3. 3 is just not big enough. So write the 3 as a 3.0. Bring the decimal straight up in your answer, and just figure that you're doing 8 divided into 30. 8 will fit into 30. It'll go in 3 times. 3 times 8 is 24. And now 30 minus 24 is 6, so it didn't go in evenly. So what I can do is just add another 0 after and bring it down next to the 6. Excuse me. And I have 60. So 8 divided into 60. That'll go. So let's see, 8 times 7 is 56. So I'll put it in 7 times. 7 times 8, I have 56. It still didn't go in evenly. 60 minus 56 is 4. So keep going. I can keep adding as many zeros as I want. I'll add another 0. So it's 3.000 now. So bring that last 0 down next to the 4. It becomes a 40. And now 8 will divide into 40 evenly. It goes in 5 times. So I put in a 5. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 minus 40 is 0, remainder of 0. So now we're done. It's 0.375. And some people like to put a 0 in front of the decimal. That's okay. 0.375. More often than not, I just leave it 0.375. It's the same thing.